It's a quiet day in Desawannabaloo, the little village on the edge of the forest. People are in the streets greeting each other, going about their business. Speaking of business, I believe this is the store where our friend Badu works. Let's go in and see. Yep, there he is putting a heavy box on a high shelf. Not such a good idea, since we get earthquakes here.
How can I help you, little girl? Oh. Ooh, long list. Good for business. This'll get me in good with the boss. Okay, let's see. Flashlight, batteries.
Hey, what's all that for? I see. You're filling your emergency bag? Wow, now that's thinking ahead.
Here you go.
Oh.
Let's see. Flashlight. And extra batteries. Bag of rice. First aid kit. Candles. Matches. Mineral water. And a blanket.
That's good preparation for any emergency.
Emergency? What emergency? This is a quiet village. We don't have emergencies.
Oh, yeah? That's right. Duck, cover, and hold on.
My merchandise!
No, stay away from that shelf.
Get away from that building! And watch out for those electrical wires!
Better stay away from big trees, too. They could go over.
Is everybody okay? Is everybody safe? I can't find my mommy.
Don't worry. We'll find your mama.
Everybody, stay out in the open.
Whoa! That was close. Ah, yes. Somebody, I bet we can guess who, forgot to turn off the main electric switch. Good going, little guy. Everybody should do that. Are you waiting for your family? Is this your emergency meeting place? Yours too? Hey, what's that on your back? Ah, you packed an emergency bag too. That's good planning.
Don't go there.
Don't worry, it's fine. No, they worry about every little thing.
He's so silly.
With that guy.
I guess nobody ever told him about aftershocks. That's right. Duck and cover. Good thing you turned off that electricity. A very good thing. Night has fallen. Everyone will have to spend it out in the open. It's much too dangerous to go back into the damaged buildings.
Help! Help! I can't see where to walk.
Oops. That's scary. There are lots of downed electrical wires and sharp debris.
That's over here. Okay. Oh, yes, I see that. Thank you. Okay, I'm going slow. Oh, thank you, Squirrel. Help! Over here!
Bandages! We need more bandages!
Ah, yes. Thank you, little girl. Who was that little girl?
Oh, my head.
Oh, Badu. It'll be all right. Don't worry.
As a new day dawns, we leave the people of Desawana Baloo to assess the damage and begin to rebuild. And let's hope our friend Badu has learned something. Hey, you did a great job today. I've been meaning to ask you, how did you get so smart? Aha! You read the IDEP comic book and the community-based disaster management manual. Smart!